Ltd, and every November I always focus on local Barbadian dishes, and today is no different. We are going to be making an old-time Bajan recipe. We'll be making stew food. Now, stew food is not the regular stew food that you know today in 2022. This is a recipe made with mainly starches, all type of root vegetables, ground provisions, and it is so good for you. Many young persons are always getting recommendations from their doctors, nutritionists, dietitians, letting them know that they should be eating more stew food, lots of ground provisions, because they make you healthier and it is so filling. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 medium-sized sweet potato, 1 large English potato, 1 yam, this is really good for you, 1 cassava, 1 butternut squash, and 1 green banana, but we're going to cook this separately, half of an onion chopped, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil. To our boiling water, we're going to add our oil. Then we'll add salt and pepper. And then our ingredients. Allow it to cook for about 15 or so minutes, or until everything is nice and tender. I'm going to cook the green banana because we're leaving the skin on. So I'm going to put a slit right down the side of it so that when it cooks, it'll be easy to remove the skin. Our stew food is done. It took about 20 minutes. I would have tested all of the ingredients, the yam, the sweet potato, the English potatoes, butternut squash. They're all fork tender. Now it's time for us to taste. Our stew food is done and it's piping hot. Now I'm going to taste it in a few minutes, but whenever you eat stew food, because it's filled with starch, you're going to pair it with a protein. So today I'm going to pair it with frizzled saltfish. Now if you can't remember how to make it, I'm going to link it in the iCards above and also the description box below. Frizzled saltfish, it always accentuates the taste of stew food. So let's taste. I'm going to drizzle some of our saltfish all around this stew food. It smells so good. Now to taste. It's nice and cool. Going to get some of the green banana, filled with lots of iron building properties. Butternut squash is so filling. So delicious and absolutely filling. Bajan stew food, now you need to try it. Now if you enjoyed this video with Bajan stew food, I want you to look over here, see some of my other Bajan recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.